Hi all, welcome to the Knowledge Series of Office 365 Administration. Today we will see how one can deploy the application using Intune. As in a last video we also saw how one can enroll the devices and manage those devices using Intune. So let's see what all today we will cover. First, we will sign in to Intune. We will add the applications to Intune, assign the applications to group or the user, and then we will install the application on those enrolled devices. And we can also check the status of those devices. So first, we will need to log into the admin account. One can also directly get logged in with Endpoint Manager, or you can also basically log into your admin account, then go to Admin Center, and in Admin Center, Endpoint Manager. In the last video, we also saw how one can enroll the devices from this device option. Today we will see how we can manage the apps using apps option. In apps, all app. Here are the policy you can create for apps. You can go in add option, select the type, if you want to do it for Android, iOS, Microsoft Store app, managed Google Play app. Then we also have Microsoft 365 apps for Windows, Mac OS, Microsoft Edge, and below are the more options which you can find. So you can just select accordingly. Once you select, currently I have selected for Windows, you can see select. Over here you can give name to your policy which you are applying. You can provide the links. Once it is done, you can say next. Then it comes for assignment, you can assign the group, devices or the user. If you want to apply it for all the users in that domain, you can also do so. With group option, you can apply the group. Once you select the group, you can also at the same time apply it for the devices. And say next. Here is where you can review your policy and say create. Once you say create, you can see your policy created over here. You can click on that policy and check its property. So here the policy is created. Now your device should be enrolled for this before installing any apps and before managing them. So as in our last video, we saw how you can enroll your devices. So over here, I have already enrolled my device. So after assigning the applications to group and also after enrolling your device, end user can use the company portal app to install an app made available by Intune. So I have just downloaded the Office setup and have also installed this application at my end. So let's see how it will reflect. So over here, when you come back to Endpoint Manager, all apps, and you select the policy which you have created, you can see over here the installed total 1 over here, and for user also 1 over here, because this particular user have installed the application on the device which we have enrolled. So we can also monitor it from here. You can see the device and the what was the status of those application, and same from the user, which user have installed it. So this is how it works. So this was all about how Microsoft Intune allows you to manage the client apps that your organization uses. You can configure, add, assign, protect, monitor, update the apps across a variety of platforms and users. Thank you.